Let's learn the days of the week with our animal friends. On Monday, monkey swings and says, "Can you swing your arms?" Tuesday, turtle crawls slowly. "Can you crawl like turtle?" Wednesday, whale splashes. "Let's make big splashy waves." Thursday, tiger tiptoes. "Tiptoe with tiger." Friday, frog jumps high. "Jump with frog." Saturday, snake slithers. "Can you wiggle like snake?" Sunday, sheep rests. "Let's take a deep breath." Can you remember all the days? Shout your favorite. Like and follow for more fun learning.